you sit there, that's it. Lovely. Right,
Put
so
it down there.
you can put that down, yeah. So what's your name?
Janet.
Janet, right, I should remember that. Short version of Jeanette. Right. Janet, you've got stenosis,
Yeah.
spinal stenosis,
Spinal
is it?
stenosis.
And what's wrong with your knees?
That one I've had done, but it's
Right.
still painful. And
Right.
this one, the cartilage has gone and I've got arthritis.
Right, okay. Right, so we're going to fix both of those. How do I know that? Because as Janet sat in the audience, the surgeon says, easy. Now, it's not me doing the healing. Remember, I'm a bank manager, 2 degrees, business diploma. I don't know much. I did O-level biology, but that's it. But if he says easy, then it will be. All right. So, he's going to fix the one that's been, you've got a replacement in there, but it's still not right.
No.
Right. So I wear white so that any energy that is taken off Janet will show up in my energy field. And then the surgeons can make sure that I don't take into me or walk around with Janet's energy and then get a dodgy knee myself. Now the first thing that the surgeon's telling me is there's not enough energy going through there. Could you grab us another spoonful of the purple powder? The purple powder, all that is rice. I have to stop calling it magic because trading standards would have me for that because it's not magic. I've been on it for 3 years. I take 2 teaspoons a day. I feel amazing on it. I can't make any claims for it because I don't know what it's going to do for you in your body. But in this situation, working as a healer as I have for 25 years, I can feel that there's not enough energy here. I need to get energy in there. It's going to put energy in there fast. If you took a glucose tablet, it would put energy in there fast. If you ate an apple, it would probably put energy in there fast. But this stuff's a little bit different to both of those. Now, Janet, what can you feel happening?
It's warm and I can feel it's, I think it's getting looser.
It's good, isn't it? So the warmth is blood flow. The warmth is blood flow, yeah?
Which I've got.
Yeah. Right, now he's working on the other knee. I know that because this knee started working. All right? Awesome.
Thank you.
Right, so what this product is designed to do, it's particularly designed for older people to give them energy, and then the body's wisdom will use that energy in whatever way they need to. For some people it's just having extra energy, for some people it might be sleeping better. We never know what it's going to do because everybody's body is unique. Got some. He's feeling reasonably confident with this one. Just walk around a little bit, Janet, just see how that feels.
That's easier.
That's easier, eh?
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
easier.
Any pain in there?
No.
Hey, excellent. Sit down. Told you it was going to be easy. Ain't my life cool, eh? My life's really cool on the one hand in terms of I get to do this every night. On the other hand, it's not so good because they also face a occasional criticism because people don't think it's real. Now, the only way to handle scepticism is with proof. So if anybody's sceptical, I just say, come to a show, bring me somebody you know that has got something wrong with them, and let's just see what happens. It's an experiment. Let's see what's possible. Now, this is the one where there's no cartilage. Right, let me get you thinking about something. There's a guy called Bruce Lipton. Anybody heard of Bruce Lipton? Yeah, great man. He's a scientist that left conventional, he was a lecturer, I think it was Wisconsin University, if memory serves me right. He left there one day throwing his arms up because the science they were teaching wasn't right and he wanted to teach correct science. He studied, so his best-selling book is called The Biology of Belief, very, very good book. And there's also an excellent clip of video called The Most Important Hour of Your Life. And what Bruce explains is that if you take some stem cells, you know, stem cells from like a fetus, you put them into petri dishes, the same stem cells, if you divide them into 3 petri dishes, if each petri dish has got a different solution, culture medium in there, some stem cells will grow into bone, some will grow into fat, and some will grow into muscle. So your cells behave determined by the culture medium that they're in. That makes sense? Yeah. And in your body, your culture medium is part of your blood, but it's also your thoughts and your feelings. Yeah, plus if there are any toxins in your environment that you're breathing in, or if you've eaten any foods or things like glyphosate from, you know, pesticides. Look, he's still working on the right knee, Right, there we go. Right, just extend that one, Janet, see how that feels.
Yeah.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, have a walk around. She's getting up easier.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, normally I'm sort of limping.
Walk a bit further, just make sure it's a fluke. I don't think you need that stick anymore, girl, do you?
No, I hope not.
No pain?
No.
Excellent. Brilliant. Give her a round of applause.